Sometimes I wonder what if the world was monochrome. That smooth and rich white chocolate that can outcast any other color. And in that world, color were considered mosquito bites and needed to be scratched off the flesh of a racist nation. Like animals, we were stamped. 3Ks coursing into our blood, trying to find a way to input the error in the mind that I am not your equal, I am beneath you. The dirt on your shoe that you stomp on day by day make it clear that the darker the berry, the more likely it is to be considered rotten and thrown out. Struggle my every feeling from the rusted chains of my ancestors. Don't struggle, the wind whispers. Let my lips kiss the aching lashes on your soul, breathe hope back into your shuddering bones. Send your thoughts into a world of ecstasy and relief and blind thine eyes from reality, because this is only a dream you see. And once you wake, monochrome will be no more, because pain and screams will mix into the blood and overcome the white. Proof that the Holocaust never went away, for it's embedded in your DNA. And when a man of color is found dead on the ground, the wind shall become the gospel and make me the mark on their flesh that will never go away. Proof that black is not a race but a tone so dark it swallowed up segregation and spit out me. The integrated illusion in the world that I live in. It's big enough to smother these jail cells filled with dark souls forced to believe that society no longer believes in monochrome. Obey and release every thought of black and white ever mixing and be like them. Be the slave that they want you to see. But if you're smart enough, you'll break free and listen to the wind.